At Priority Communication Systems Limited, we deliver integrated technology systems that support safety, communication, and operational performance across complex developments. This case study highlights our completed work at Currie Green by Statesman in Calgary, a major multi-system installation. Currie Green by Statesman is a significant Calgary development designed to deliver a modern, well-equipped environment with the infrastructure needed for secure, connected, and efficient day-to-day operation. PCS was proud to play an important role in this project, supporting the successful installation of multiple critical building systems. As part of the completed project, PCS delivered a broad installation scope, including SARA Nurse Call, telecommunications, security, and CCTV, door access controls, and PA and theater sound systems. This integrated approach helped ensure the site was equipped with dependable, high-performing systems across communication, safety, access, and audio infrastructure. The SARA Nurse Call system forms a key part of the project's life safety and resident support infrastructure, helping provide a fast and effective way for assistance to be requested and delivered where needed. In developments where resident well-being and responsive care matter, this type of system is essential. PCS also delivered the telecommunications infrastructure, supporting reliable communication throughout the development. Strong telecom systems are fundamental to smooth operations, internal coordination, and dependable day-to-day connectivity. With security and CCTV systems alongside door access controls, the project benefits from stronger site protection, monitored visibility, and controlled entry throughout key areas of the building. These systems work together to support a safer and more secure environment for residents, staff, and visitors. PCS also installed PA and theater sound systems, adding professional-grade audio capability for announcements, events, presentations, and communal space usage. This enhances the functionality of shared environments and supports a better overall experience across the development. Currie Green stands as another example of PCS delivering integrated building technology with precision, reliability, and professional project support from installation through to completion. From nurse call and telecommunications to access control, CCTV, and sound systems, Priority Communication Systems Limited provides trusted installations for projects where performance, safety, and long-term reliability matter. Contact PCS today or visit www.PriorityLimited.com.